We have Coach Ramin De Jesus, Chebana Laput, Angel Cadino, and Vida Karingal.
Yes.
Give me that. Come on.
Coach, congratulations. 7-0 on the first round. So, although I know na matagal-tagal pa yung liga, so what can you say sa ginawang paghihirap ng mga players mo to achieve this as we go along?
Well,
Ito po.
matagal namin pinaghandaan nito. So, siguro, itong first round na to, hindi mo masasabi na ito na yon. Pero, kasi mahaba ang tournament eh. Para sa akin kasi itong first round, parang ito lang yung gulatan lang dito sa first round. And then second round, yun na. Ando na lahat, nakita na lahat ng mga teams kung paano gumalaw yung team. And then sa bawat teams man, ganun din. Pag-start ng second round, doon na tayo makikita. Basahan na kasi. So lahat doon makikita na kung anong adjustment gagawin sa kanya-kanyang team. So maswerte lang kami kasi nakauna kami ng mga panalo.
Thank you so much. Angel, 11 attacks, 1 block, 2 service ace, 10 extra receptions, and 6 digs. So 7-0 in the first half, but there's a lot of volleyball to play. So ano yung masasabi mo na yun nga, you defeated the defending champions, so can you say?
Sobrang saya namin. Siyempre, kailangan din namin i-acknowledge yung panalo na nakuha namin. Pero at the same time, kailangan din namin i-acknowledge yung mga mali namin na nagawa. Gaya na sabi ni Coach Ramil, first round pa lang to, kapaan ng mga teams. So, I think kailangan din talaga namin iayos pa and konting disiplina pa sa loob ng court. Kasi medyo nakita din sa loob ng court na from time to time, nawawala yung disiplina namin as a team and individually. So, ayun. Masaya kami at the moment, pero after today, laban ulit. Ibang laban ulit.
Chefs, 15 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 service ace, and 8 digs. So there's still a lot of volleyball to play. So 7-0, your call.
Like Angel said, we are happy. Of course, we are happy. The beautiful thing about today's game is that we were able to show that we can work hard. We will work hard to get what we want. Because life is unfair, life's unfair, but life will give you what you deserve. So we have to work hard and earn every single win, every single point at that. So, of course, like Angel said, we are happy, but tomorrow we'll wake up and we'll figure out what we need to improve on, what we need to do better going into round 2. Because at the end of the day, yes, this is a long journey. This isn't a sprint, this is a marathon. We have to keep working hard, we cannot be complacent.
Thank you so much. To Vida, 8 of 11 attacks and 1 block. So you step up in the absence of Eli. What can you say sa tiwalang binigay sa'yo ni Coach RDJ this match? Especially a big game against Lingwood.
Siyempre po, it's a big privilege really po na pinagkatiwalaan po ako ni Coach Emil sa president. Pinagkatiwalaan din po ako ng mga coaches na kaya ko pong mag-perform po and lumaban po para sa team. So, kumuha na lang po ako ng kumpiyansa para din.
Salamat. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, ayun nga, nakatapat mo rin yung dati yung player, si Coach Regine. Ano lang pakiramdam na this time nakatapat niyo na yung player niyo dati?
Natutuwa ako sa kanya kasi unang-una, ikaw lang ng babae na nag-coach dito sa UAP siguro, o bukod kay Ma'am Pante ng Adamson, tsaka si Mamalcabaw. Pero siguro sa ngayon, nakakatuwa kasi galing sa akin and then ngayon nag-coach ng isang champion team. And yung pagharap namin siguro, isang bagay yun na makita ko sa kanya, yung mga natutunan niya nung player pa siya. So siguro marami din naman siyang idea. And natutuwa ako dahil very competitive yung team niya. At in fact, defending champion. So hopefully, mas makilala niyo pa yung team kasi bago lang siya doon. So hopefully, mas mapagalaw niyo pa ang mga tao.
Coach, yun nga before this 5-game losing streak din guys sa NU. Ano lang siguro yung nakita nyo na nagawa ng team kaya nakakuha na finally ng panalo?
Siguro lang mas ginusto ng mga bata ngayon kasi sa ngayon nakikita ko sa kanila, nakita namin natuto kami sa mga mali namin nung nakaraang mga season. Ano yung kulang, ngayon talagang tinrabaho namin kung ano yung kulang. Ang maganda kasi lahat sila sumusunod and then lahat sila gusto kung ano yung pagbabago.
For the game, some would say that you just replaced Muna Eli in that starting lineup. Pero with that performance, like, taking that spot as well, like owning it instead of just being a replacement, you really proved it today. That even as a rookie, you can deliver okay.
First of all po, tinitingnan po po siya as not like taking a spot po. Kasi po may nagsabi din po sa akin na I'm not supposed to feel one shoes po. I have a shoe of my own and I walk with it po. So, pumasok lang po ako sa game na with that mindset po. Yun po. Thank you po.
For Coach Ramil po, share po yung story din po ng Lasal with, apart from KCF, kay Angel and kay Amy, yung mga rookies din po. Parang as a coach, big on developing young talent po over the years. How important is it for you po to see them bloom sa ganitong level po?
Well, actually, yun nga kaso parang ngayon itong season na to parang less talent kami, so parang karamihan ng mga rookies ko talagang from scratch, hindi talaga yung top recruit. So ngayon talagang itong year na to talagang tinatrabaho namin yung mga rookies namin na pinipilit namin makahabol doon sa level ng mga seniors. So nakakatuwa lang yung iba nag-improve na, so hindi natin alam para pagdating ng oras mahugot yung isa doon or mabigyan ng time para maglaro. So, depende, mahaba pa naman yung tournament.
Angel and Shivana, for the last 5 straight games ng yung NU and Lasal na natalo kayo, entering today, was there an extra urge like to really get over that hump? And how big of a deal is it for you personally? This win out of the 7 wins so far to get this done?
Of course, we have such a big hugot against this team, NU, ever since us as rookies up to now as seniors. So of course, this means a lot to us. Coming into the game, we knew that this is our time, this is our season. It's now. We've let them have their time, but now it's time for us to step up and rise to the occasion and do what we know we can do, which is we know that we can be a championship level team. But again, like I said, we have to earn it and we have to work for it. Every single point, every single game, every single training, we have to work hard to be able to be for us to be worthy of being a championship level team. So like you said, we are happy, but again, there are things that we need to improve on, and as soon as we get back, that's something that we will focus on.
Lalo-lalo na sa aming seniors, malaking bagay din talaga to panalo sa amin. Kasi nung rookies kami, syempre andun yung buong tiwala ng Lasal community, ng buong team. Kasi yung tapang namin nandun. And then right after that, wala kami. As a team and individually. And medyo hinayaan namin na magkaroon yung streak yung NU against us. And sobrang laking sakit siguro yung nakuha namin against NU. Kasi ilang beses namin trinayin talaga natalunin sila. Pero hindi namin nagawa. So kami ngayong seniors, pinapangako talaga namin na pagpasok sa loob ng court, gusto namin na ipakilala ulit kung sino kami. Gusto namin na magkaroon kami ulit ng statement sa mga kalaban namin. Matagal na namin itong hinaantay and ayaw na namin palagpasin pa yung moment na to kasi eto na yung time, wala na ibang time para ipakita sa mga tao na once again, Lady Spikers kami. Lahat ng values na nandun as a Lady Spikers dito na makikita ngayon season 88. Kaya gusto namin talaga paghirapan bawat step, bawat game. Gusto namin ipakita yun. Hindi lang sa words, hindi kailangan talaga namin, kagaya ng sinabi ni Chef, hard work talaga sa lahat-lahat ng kalaban namin. So yun, pinapakita lang talaga namin yung best namin araw-araw and lalo na per game kasi ang laki ng hugot din namin as a team.
Coach Romil, speaking of talent, so what can you say po about Tenyus Cantada? She's had a great rookie year so far. What are your thoughts po about her?
Siguro yung bata very talented, all-around player. Pwedeng opposite, pwedeng outside hitter. And siguro si matatawag natin super rookie. Kung makaka-level nila Angel ng rookie year. And then sila ni Nenetura and Dylan, mga ganun. So, swerte ang Angel, napunta sa kanila. Hindi sa amin napunta.
Coach, yung naging challenge sa inyo sa 7 matches nyo is Adamson. Your thoughts about Adamson? Kahit third place sila itong first round, they're doing good. What are your thoughts?
During our match, siguro talagang galing sila sa magandang panalo eh. So talagang mataas yung high moral sila. And then talagang maganda naman nilaro nila nung game nila ng UST. And then dating sa amin, medyo slow start kami. And siguro dumating lang yung point na napagod sila ng third set, fourth set, at saka fifth set. So yun lang yung siguro naging namin advantage namin and focus kami ng pagdating namin ng fifth set, nakuha namin advantage. So laking factor yung leading ka ng ilang points back doon dumating yung 15 points. Okay? So yun lang siguro naging factor. Maaga kaming lumayo sa kanila ng fifth set.
And that's a parting shot, Coach. Tagad-tagad yung nandito sa yung mga kasi ganito, syempre yung mga second round, yun ang pinaka-critical na point ng season. Your thoughts about that?
Sabi ko nga, yung first round, hindi ito yung totoong labanan. So, pagdating ng semis, doon na malalaman, ito yung totoong laban. So, sabi ko, kung ano man mangyari itong mga elimination, okay lang yan. Kasi importante pagdating sa dulo, hindi ka na matatalo. So, yun yung pagdating. Panalo ka nga nitong mga elimination, pagdating naman sa dulo, crossover, laglag ka. Wala rin kwenta. Importante pagdating sa dulo, yun yun. Doon ka mag-concentrate, yun yung paghandaan ng todo. Kasi yun yung totoong laban.
On that note, congratulations, Coach RDJ, Vida, Jeff, we appreciate you. Stay healthy.